Sometimes we'll get here at like 3:30 in the morning, sometimes we'll get here at 4-ish, depending on what all's going on and what all we have to do. It's all just get in where you fit in to make the process happen, and we all, work very well off of each other. There's a lot of pride that goes into what we do. There's, a certain level of detail and craftsmanship that all goes behind it. Some people might look at it as a tool for the job, but for me, I kind of view it as a functioning piece of art.
Everybody's just here playing with really fun tools all day long, essentially.
Big power tools, yep.
All the guys in this shop, I mean,
they love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's heaven. I mean, if you're a woodworker, this is awesome.
This is incredibly cool. It's called a ripsaw. And it has like laser beams that come out and show you exactly where to put the wood in.
Yep.
The boards go through, they're exactly the right size, the right shape.
Right.
And then what's next?
Then we mold them. Molding is when they surface all 4 sides of the boards. There's a machine that does all 4 sides at the same time so they can get tolerances down to within a couple thousandths of an inch.
It almost looks like tongue and groove flooring.
It is. I mean, it's very similar. It's not the same as used on flooring, but that's what the idea was. That's what makes ours different than European foeders. Theirs are butted up flat, like a bourbon barrel is.
Okay.
And there's nothing to lock them into place. It makes ours much more airtight. They're not going to leak. They're not going to let in oxygen, which is kind of the enemy of beer making, wine making, everything. You want to be able to control everything. So it really helps us out.
These are all fitted together. Do they have a slight curve?
They do. The inside and the outside are both radius, so that it meets the diameter of the tank we're building. And then all of our pieces have the same joint on the outside, so any of them can stick together. We know that if we are building say a 46-inch diameter, we take one certain piece and we take 36 of them and stand them up in a circle and put them together, and it's going to make a perfect circle. No gaps, nothing.